Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay guys, so if you're new in my channel, you are highly welcome. So how are you doing and how is your day? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a very simple remedy that would help you to cure all of your eye problem. Are you having redness of eyes and itching and your eye is actually not white? I'm going to be showing you a very simple remedy that would help you to take care of all of that. Yeah, so if you do love the video, thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Now let me take you right in. Yeah, so to have a white eye and treat your eye problem, have that clear vision, carrot is going to be one of the ingredients that we're going to be needing for today's video. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to peel it. Now because of the ingredients and the nutrients in carrots, it helps so much to clear your sight. It also helps for the body, and it's very effective equally when it comes. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be cutting the carrots. So we're going to use this. So it's actually a sauce. Okay, so after blending this, we're actually going to be sieving this out. So I'm grabbing a bowl, and then we're going to turn this into a strainer. So after sieving it, this is what we've got. Okay, so I'm going to be turning that into a cup, and this is what we've got. The ingredients we're going to be needing is orange, and since we're in season of oranges, that is why our orange is looking this way. Otherwise, some species of oranges are usually green. Yeah, so now orange helps so much for the eyes because of the vitamin C in it. Okay, so combining it with this ingredient that I'm going to be showing you is perfect. It's going to be legit for the skin. Okay, so what we're going to do now is to squeeze in the orange. Just like I said initially, we're actually in the season of orange, so our orange has a lot of water. Have a lot of juice in it. Yeah, the orange is perfect. And then also we're gonna be needing onion. Yeah, and we're gonna be needing red onion. So if you must use onion for this remedy, you have to use red onion, guys. Okay, so we're gonna be preparing the onion. onion. Since the onion is quite big, I'm gonna go wash it and I'll be right back. Then cut. So I'm gonna be reaching out for my blender that I initially used to blend the carrot to also blend this onion. Now, if you're making this ingredient, do not skip onion. It's actually very, very important. Like, it is one of the most important ingredients for this eye treatment. Finish blending, then I would love to sieve it out. I'll be pouring it into the sieve and then press it out so that the juice can actually come out. A good amount of juice. I have my onion juice here. And then also I'm gonna be turning that into this and this is really, really amazing. Okay, so the very last ingredient which we need, important also, is beetroot. Yeah, now for you to have a very great sight, and beetroot equally helps to cleanse the system. It helps to clean the blood. It also helps for your sight. Yeah, so you're gonna be needing just a little of the beetroot, not too much of it. So I'm gonna go wash this and I'll be back. So I'm going to cut it into little tiny pieces into this blender. And then I need a little of the juice. And then I'll blend it. Wow. So this is it. Now let's sieve out the chaff and let's have just the beetroot juice. And this is it, beetroot. So this is it, guys. Now this amazing drink is gonna save your eyesight. This amazing drink is going to make your eyes super white. It's gonna wash your body. It's going to help you glow from the inside out, and it's equally going to make your skin look really, really plump, beautiful. And this is great, guys, because it's gonna cure all your eye problems. But you have to, reduce smoking so that your eyes, so that you know the real problem to your eyes, and then you can use this. Just this simple natural ingredient is going to help you save your eyes. So you can actually drink this at least 4 times in a week. It is actually very, very natural, important. Freeze it very well and enjoy it, and you're good to go. Your eyesight problem is gone forever. Okay, so that's it, guys. Now there are some certain things you should do, when you are actually experiencing that. Sometimes you just have to, reduce the intake of smoking, all of those alcohol and stuff, so that you are gonna really know what is the problem. Yeah, because when you're doing all of those things, you're not gonna know what is actually the problem. So this home remedy is actually very simple and it's going to help you a whole lot. Yeah, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching the video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe and share, and I will see you again. Bye.